In this episode, we're going to be going to Nam Ngum Reservoir. Maybe staying there, maybe going on, but we're going to check that place out and then see what else there is around the area and maybe on. I just finished at Nam Pien Yorla Pa. The bike is all ready to go. So, you know what time it is. Let's get back on the journey and let's go. Just about to turn right onto the road to the reservoir, and check out all this mud right here. They're building a new bridge over here, it seems. And yeah, this truck seems to have got stuck. You know how much trucks weigh. So I'm going to try and find a way to get onto the road down that way, because I don't want to get stuck like this truck with all the stuff. There we go. There we go. Happy days. Happy story. Lovely double here. Look at it. Will, there's a way. Alright, just got in that shop. We're going to find a different way around. They told me to go to the four-way junction over there and then going to go around that way. So let's see how that works. So as I was coming down to the reservoir, I spotted this hydropower dam. You can just imagine how much water is behind that, holding that. And then the water, just to create the electricity, whew, goes out. Yeah, it's a nice place to quickly stop, have a look, and then go on. It's been created into the mountainside, as you see right over there, and that part just gone across. The water's coming out from the bottom over there. Just gonna check this out for a little bit and then carry on. This is actually a feeding station, this point right here, because if you look here, right, you have a little hole. If you look right at the bottom, loads of fish down there just waiting for the food. Just got to the first viewpoint, or a viewpoint from me. I saw a bunch of Lao people take pictures here, and it's looking out into the reservoir. It's got the islands over there. Oh, have a look at this one, have a check it out. So from this viewpoint right here, I see I have the islands there, got the mountains in the background, little islands. Yeah, got a guy doing his fishing. Well, he's got his boat out doing the fishing. Pears, all that kind of stuff. Look at this. Wow, mountains in the background. Just can't beat Laos, man. It's absolutely amazing. I didn't expect to see this on the reservoir, man. Get the most unexpected things. And the boat's over there too. This is the location of the hotel. However, I'm a little bit doubtful that is open, just from the state of it. Like, they're doing construction up that road right there, but let's have a little gander. You know me, I like to explore. Let's see what's going on. It's gonna be an interesting one. Oh, the mud is creepy down here, man. Like, imagine that. Oof, yeah, I'm not too sure, man. I'm going around. Oh yeah, not that route. It's gonna be over there. Oh, yeah, there's some sinking mud here. Let's check it out down here. Let's see what's going on. If it's overgrown like this, I think, yeah, it's going to be one of them places where it's done. It's It's not open right now. It's real beautiful, eh? Although they let it overgrow. A lot of people having a whale of time over there. Wow. Yeah, let's go up here. See what's going on up here. Yeah, I'm not just looking at this. Let's have a little explore down here. Yeah, it looks like a really nice place to go to, but I think what happened with COVID is just all shut down. Yeah, it's disappointing. Look at that view. Look at that. It's beautiful. But oh, sabadi. Ani Hin Heup berba lebih. Ah, okay. Okay, bobanya. Yeah, it seems to be closed. Alright, let's go. A bit disappointing, but it is how it is, eh? So it looks like we're going on to, I think Mung Phu might be a bit far. I'm going to try to go to Hin Heup, go there and then stay the night there, enjoy maybe a day there, and then go on to the next place, because it's getting late right now. It's about 3 o'clock. Trying to find the place, so I'll go there, maybe spend an extra day there, or stay there as like a nightcap before I go on to Mung Phu. I don't know, like I'll see as it goes, you know. It's like bit by bit, steady, you know. But it's the fun of the adventure, isn't it? When you do what you want, you just stay where you want, or any place that open, you know. I ain't got a fucking tent. But you stay where you want, do what you want, and enjoy the time. Yeah, bike's still there. All good. Happy days. Oh man, you never guess what? Side panel just fell off. So I'm gonna have to look for the closest shop, and it was being held on by sticky tape, but gotta get something stronger. It was a short-term solution. The joys of a old bike. So I found some better tape, popping that on there, securing it in. Just some good old-fashioned Scotch tape. This was keeping the bike together. Yeah, I'm just checking if, like that, if I put the key in there and I check it, I'm checking if it works, because if it doesn't, it means it's off a little bit. Yeah. Ini opennya. Opennya wah. Ini cara ini ben key. Oh. 2,300 kilo key by 4,000 ดอน Key ไปเล่นใส่ดิ key มาตะใส่ อันนี้วันมื้อนี้ขี่มาจากNam Pien Yorla Pa แล้วก็ไปเล่นเมื่อวันนี้อยู่ไปเวียงจันทร์แล้วก็ตอนนี้กำลังไปบางเวียนเอาเยอะอยู่ห่างนี่รวมประบางวางเวียงแล้วก็อันนี้ใช่ไหมซื้อไม้แพงซ่อมนี่พอดีอันนี้เท่าไหร่นะอันนี้ซื้อมอเตอร์ไซค์$150แล้วบ่อันนี้เป็นร้านหาแสนเนาะมันรุ่นเก่าดิเนาะ แล้วก็กาวเป็นดี
แม่นมันดีแม่น
And that right there is a job well done. I would have preferred black, but you didn't have a black in there. Because now it's not going to blend in. But if I find a black, I'm going to take that off and put on a black, because then it doesn't look like I'm sticking it together. So I made it to Hin Heup, and I'm staying at this hotel. I can't quite pronounce it. I'll show you the sign outside so you can see where it is. It's just as you come in. But I decided to stay here. I decided to stay here because, you know, I'm going to go to Muang Phuong tomorrow, and then go check out an amazing result you'll see in the next videos. I'm going to be going to Muang Phuong. I'm going to be staying on a river boat on the river, just experiencing the mountains, the rivers, everything like that. So I'm really, really excited. I'm going to jump on the bike, go there and show you the adventure and that place. All right, let's go. Another one of them boats, it's like 4,000 islands. Got an island just there to grab onto, drive the motorcycle and go. So I made it here in one piece, went over the river through the rice fields on the other side, finally made it to Nam Ngum Raft House in Muang Phuong. Bags are here, we're going to take them off, go in the house, but you'll see that in the next episode. Alright, catch you soon. See you there. In the next episode, I spend the day at Nam Ngum Raft Guest House and get to experience what it's like to live life on the river in Muang Phuong. All I can say is what experience it was. See you there.